morning. I wanted to show you something that I'm very fortunate to see every single morning. You'll see my neighbor and his 2 cows are grazing in my front yard like they do every day. They're basically natural lawnmowers, I guess. They are 2 enormous guys. Later on, he'll come walking around. He'll come driving around here in his burrow to inspect his land. Well, he's got a couple of guys who work with him. And over the course of the summer, this guy, Mr. Bonacorsi, which is a name that comes from Tre Castagni, believe it or not. And here he is. He's in Arcitrezza, working this this plot of land here his entire life. It's just a wonderful way for me to get up in the morning and to experience. Start my day off by seeing this. It really brings me into a place from long, long ago. Today, as you can see, the sun is brilliant. Brilliant day sunshine. Absolutely gorgeous day. There's Mr. Bonacorsi over here. He's checking on his cows, who, of course, eat. The flowers now, as you can see, are almost in full bloom every place. Today there's no wind. It's just a spectacular morning. Tonight I'll be going up to Giardini, see Roberto and Noxus. I also want to check on our olive trees over there as well. But one more look over here. I'll get back to my writing a bit. Look at my plants, they're coming along pretty good, huh? Pretty good. And see you later. Ciao.